When you file Form 2290 online with ExpressTruckTax, you'll follow a step-by-step guide to complete your form in a matter of minutes. Once you get to the IRS payment step, you can choose between 4 different payment options based on the most convenient method for you. Provide your banking information through ExpressTruckTax's safe and secure system to authorize the IRS to debit the amount you owe from your bank account. It is important that your account has enough funds to cover the amount you owe. The amount is generally withdrawn in 24 to 48 hours after providing authorization. You can also pay the amount of heavy vehicle use tax you owe with a check or money order. If you choose this option, you will need to print your completed payment voucher 2290V from page 11 of your completed 2290 form and mail it to the IRS by the August 31st deadline. And starting July 2018, the IRS will allow you to pay 2290 with a credit or debit card. You must make your IRS tax payment by going to officialpayments.com. The IRS payment is made separately from ExpressTruckTax. Additional convenience fees will apply. After you transmit your return, ExpressTruckTax will send instructions to your email to make the IRS payment. If you still need to file your Form 2290, visit ExpressTruckTax.com.